Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the different options for your widgets on the welcome screen. So on your PS5, if you go to just welcome here, every time I start mine up, it just boots into this. But I can go on down and I can look at all these different widgets. Now I can press R1 to kind of cycle through them. But if I go up to the top here, we have the option to edit widgets. And we can turn on specific widgets. Like, do we really need to know our battery is set? It's kind of nice, but do we want the store on there? So if we go through here and just disable them all, let's go ahead and just see what this looks like. And then go back to it. So it looks like I need to keep at least some on there. And this is what it looks like with only like 3 of them on here. So yeah, then we can go back to it and we can change the preset if we want like more of a social kind of layout where we see our friends list first. We have that. And then we got solo is more achievement focused, and you probably want to know your console storage. That's kind of important. Maybe you're running out of free space, so you can look at these different presets. This is social. You got your messages right there. So yeah, I think I'd like to see my storage first because sometimes I just run over on that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.